Alright, so today's video is a little different. This video is actually a clip from something I did with Vision Paradox. It's a new segment that we're doing. We haven't actually come up with a proper title yet. You'll hear the title in the clip, but I'm sharing this because I think it's relevant to the topic that I've been talking to a lot lately, which is Instagram. But even then, you can apply these same exact tactics and principles, outside of it as well. So enjoy the video, and if you guys want to watch the whole thing, make sure you click on the link down below. Enjoy the video, guys.
What are some of the best social media strategies to drive our engagement?
Ooh.
Ask questions. In your caption, you're gonna want to provoke somebody to answer back, and that works a lot of the times with engagement. So if you have a post that's like, I don't know, I'm a big fan of Disneyland, right? So if you post up a treat from Disneyland, you're gonna want to ask, what's your favorite treat? And then people who love Disneyland are going to comment because they can relate to what the question is. So ask questions is a good way to do engagement. Making sure like somebody says, I don't know, like in your captions you can say, tag 3 friends. That's a really big, that's a really big tool to use. Like especially like with quotes that people have, and sometimes maybe they're feeling down, and like your friends kind of needing that little pick-me-up, so you want to add that, you want to tag them in that quote, so that they're inspired and they feel a little love from you too. That's a couple of ways to do engagement.
Yeah, and then I think the main thing with your posts to drive engagement, it's gotta evoke, provoke, whatever, evoke motion. It's emotion. They have to feel something when they see it. Otherwise, they're just gonna scroll through it. The image not only has to capture their attention, but also the caption that tells them what to do. Because otherwise, it's like a billboard. People will notice it, do nothing. This is what I love, how raw this is. You can hear, like, there's someone got injured. Oh wow, someone got injured.
Because of the...
Someone got hurt. Much love to the guy that got hurt. We're not filming him out of respect. So, but in regards to the engagement, like it has to. Whatever you post has to capture their attention, and then you have to further get them interested, and that could be in the caption itself or the call to action on the image. In other ways is just simply engaging with other people first. You commenting on, I see this on a lot of accounts too, people not commenting back, and then there's one, and then go comment on the people following you. That's another way to engage. And then comment on other joined communities. So say you're a fan, I'm a fan of Gary Vaynerchuk. So go comment on other people's comments. So don't just comment on his post, comment on other people's comments. Get conversations going, because if you want people to engage, this is what I believe, if you want people to show up for you, you got to show up for others first.